Hey Victory family, there is so much excitement building up towards our 30th anniversary weekend, and we are excited to celebrate 30 years of God's faithfulness at Victory Church. And there's no better way to do it than to bring back people who have been a part of it in the past and to celebrate the people who are a part of it in the present. You are all invited to join us for all of the events during that celebration weekend. And we're going to kick things off starting August 16th, Friday night, 7 p.m. right here at the church. We have a special service with an amazing guest speaker. Some of you might already be on the schedule to work, but you've got plenty of time to maybe try and swap out with someone, because we promise you, you're not going to want to miss it. There's also going to be some coffee, and I heard some cake. So if you're looking for the cake, just look for me, start the line from there, and enjoy. Sunday morning on August 18th at 10 a.m. we're going to have another special service right here at the church with a guest speaker, also a very powerful video tribute, and some other surprises. So we encourage you to make every effort to come out for the Sunday morning service as well. I'm here live on site at the Marriott Providence in downtown Providence. This is going to be the location of our 30th anniversary celebration banquet, and we want you to be a part of it. It's going to be filled with good food, great friends, fellowship, testimonies, special music, and you don't want to miss it. We have a couple ways where you can purchase tickets. If you go to the church on Sundays or Wednesday nights, we have a banquet table where we can take care of all that for you. Or you can simply text Victory RI to 77977 and pay that way. Tickets for adults will be $30, and for kids it'll be $20. We don't want you to miss out on this special event. It'll be August 18th at 1 p.m. following the special service Sunday morning. We have made it incredibly easy to invite people to be a part of this celebration weekend. We have some postcards printed up with all of the information for all the services, the address of the church. Those will be right at the table in the foyer, or you can simply just share this video. We want everyone to be a part of this weekend. Lastly, we like to make things fun here at Victory. So everyone who has purchased their tickets up till Sunday, August 4th, will be eligible for a gift card and a basket full of some goodies. Now, as you know, I love goodies, so I will be personally talking to Pastor Richard to see if I myself could be eligible for that. But we encourage you to purchase your tickets now, be a part of this weekend, reach, restore, revive, and God bless.